Hello, folks. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I gotta go get the chicks this feed, and I'll be right back, okay? I can only carry so many things, folks. Hello, folks. Behave yourself. Go get in your corner. Go get in your corner. Go on, go get in your corner, Bobby. Go get in your corner. You gotta watch them geese, folks. They're unpredictable. This water's coming out here hot, folks. So you have to let it run for a little bit. And it is hot out here. It's like being in a desert, folks. And this cough gets worse when I get out in this heat, too. But if you got chicks, you have to, though, folks. You gotta get out and feed them and stuff, you know. If I ever run up on some bannies one day when I go to, you know, like Rural King or something like that, I may decide to get some more bannies. But I probably won't get no more grown big chickens, folks. I love the big chickens I got out there because they lay pretty good. And my husband's got some friends that eat their eggs. He said it went from one friend to the other. There's two guys down there at Home Depot that gets their eggs out front. Dorothy and Blanche, I think they're getting old enough now, these two black chickens, that they've kind of slowed down on their laying a little bit. Dorothy has a lot of problems with her legs. She done something to it a long time ago, and it still hurts her. It took that water a minute to cool off. It was coming through that hose hot. And that's a pocket hose, folks. That's how hot we got today. As you can see, this heat's triggering my cold. But hi, folks. I'm glad y'all are still enjoying my channel and that you keep coming back, you know, watching them still. My husband had some friends to come back out here again today. I think they pretty much got the fence all the way across. I would show you all the fence, but it's way over the hill there, and I don't know if you guys could see it on my tablet or not. But I've thought about walking down there one day, but my husband goes down there sometimes, and he winds up getting ticks all over him and stuff, and you know, I don't like ticks because my Pyrenees had gotten bit by one of them ticks, and she got that Lyme's disease, folks. So yeah, you have to be real careful. If you did go down there, you'd probably have to search yourself for ticks. And I sure don't want to get nothing on top of this cold I got, because I tell you, I took 100 milligrams of antibiotics, and it still didn't help this cold. It's still here. So I sure don't want to get nothing on top of the cold. And they asked me if I wanted a pneumonia shot, folks, and I told them no. You know, so you know, I don't like to get shots like that I don't know anything about. But it's hot out here and everything, and I'm gonna try to make this stuff go pretty fast. What I'll do is I'll get their water things filled up, because I have to go out front here and feed and water them too. The geese are being nasty again today, folks. Bobby's a nasty boy sometimes. I don't know why he feels the need that he wants to let everybody know he's gonna bite. But they ain't got no more eggs. I kept gathering the eggs up till the female stopped laying. So we wound up not having no more goslings, and I'm really glad. My husband's tomatoes look like they took off, and they're growing pretty good. When the water's been sitting out here for a while, folks, it turns green. So, yeah, you have to freshen up their water, because if you don't, it turns green on them. I'm gonna go back in there here in a minute and fix the chicks out front some feed, and go feed them here before too long. And I'm going to try not to stay out here too long, folks, because I don't want to get that cold going and make me cough at night. Because sometimes that cough keeps me awake at night, folks. And then I wind up having to take a hit of that Robitussin. I don't really like taking medicine, folks. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hit my husband's tomatoes with the hose real quick after this. And then we're going to go in and I'm going to fix them other chicks something to eat and drink and fix their water. And finish filling up Saber's pool out there. Boy, you really have to watch these red wasps out here, folks. They get thick out here. I had one the last time I was out here trying to fly around me. And if you ain't careful, them things will light on you and sting you, you know. But the reason I wanted to get out here and feed my bannies and stuff as quick as I could, because they usually wind up going to roost about 7 o'clock, which is not too far from now. And so I wanted to get them fed before they went to roost. It's kind of hard to get around to everything that needs to be done, especially in the heat. The geese always get over there in that black pan over here. The one over there where the hose is in it. They always wind up getting in that and making a mess out of it, then the chicks can't drink. So I fill that bucket up and scoot it up there where the chicks can reach it, and they get up there and drink out of that bucket. It's so hot out here, you could almost wash your hair in cold water, folks. But waiting on this to fill up. Water these tomatoes. So I'm nice and hot, folks, and I'm getting ready to go back in and get them other chicks some feed fixed. Thank you for joining my YouTube channel, folks. You have a nice evening and a blessed evening too. You got this, folks. You're awesome. Bye-bye.